Hogwarts was my tomb and I, its willing corpse. Shadows were my flesh, woven into the very marrow of my bones by a curse as old as my sorrow. They clung to the jagged spires of my fallen kingdom, whispered through the shattered stained glass of the great hall, and coiled around my throne of cold, unyielding stone. It was here I reigned, a king of dust and memory, my heart a frozen shard of hate. Hatred for the world that had betrayed me, hatred for the light that had abandoned me, hatred for the man I once was. And then you came. You appeared in the grand archway not as a conqueror nor a supplicant, but as a quiet defiance to the gloom, a single candle in an endless cavern. You wore simple wool, yet the dying light of the broken world seemed to gather around you, clinging to the gold in your hair and the impossible warmth in your eyes. You came to me while I was enwrapped in shadows, when my hatred for everyone and everything had consumed me, leaving nothing but a bitter, hollow shell. I know what this place has made of you, you said, your voice a soft melody against the grating silence. I have come to heal you, to make you walk upon the light once more. A laugh, brittle as dead leaves, scraped its way from my throat. Heal me? I rose from my throne, the shadows moving with me, a living cloak of despair. Look around you, little bird, there is nothing left to heal, there is only the rot. I loomed over you, a spectre of forgotten nobility, expecting you to flinch, to flee like all the others. You are out of your mind, foolish. My voice was a gravelly command, the rusted tool of a forgotten king. I ordered you to leave me to my ruin. But you did not. You stayed.